ਐਲਬਰਟਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਦੇ ਟੀਕੇ ਲਗਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਹੋਰ ਵਧਾਈ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਅਪ੍ਰੈਲ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 500 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਦੇ ਟੀਕੇ ਲੱਗਣੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਸੂਬੇ ਭਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਧਾਇਆ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ। ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਜੇਸਨ ਕੈਨੀ ਨੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਇੱਕਸਾਰ ਸਪਲਾਈ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਐਲਬਰਟਾ ਹੋਰ ਉਮੀਦ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਪਲਾਈ ਆਵੇ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਿਅਕਤੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਦੇ ਟੀਕੇ ਇਸ ਜੂਨ ਦੇ ਅੰਤ ਤੱਕ ਲਗਾਏ ਜਾ ਸਕਣ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਟੀਕੇ ਲਗਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੋ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਮਾਰਚ 1 ਤੋਂ ਜੋ ਫਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਤੇ ਮੋਡਰਨਾ ਦੇ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਦੇ ਟੀਕੇ ਲਗਾਏ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ 154% ਤੱਕ ਵਧੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਵੱਖੋ ਵੱਖਰੇ 107 ਭਾਈਚਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 259 ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਵੱਧ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਪ੍ਰੈਲ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 500 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ 66,000 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਡੋਜ਼ਜ਼ ਐਲਬਰਟਾ ਦੀਆਂ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸੇ ਹਫ਼ਤੇ ਡਿਲੀਵਰ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਐਲਬਰਟਾ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਡੋਜ਼ਜ਼ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜੇਸਨ ਕੈਨੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਭਾਈਚਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਅਜਿਹੀ ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਦੇ ਟੀਕੇ ਲੱਗਣੇ ਹਜੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏ, ਉਹ ਸਬਰ ਰੱਖਣ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਸੂਬੇ ਭਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾਇਆ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ।
I'm here today to share some exciting news about the next step forward in Alberta's COVID-19 vaccination program. We're here today at Shoppers Drug Mart at the Rabbit Hill Shopping Centre in Edmonton, and I'd like to thank Chevelle Sharma, the owner of this store, for welcoming us here, as well as Jeff Leger, who is the president of Shoppers Drug Mart Canada. Like many pharmacies in our communities, most of us rely on stores like these for our flu shots, medications, and a whole lot more. They play a key role in protecting the health of our loved ones. And for many people, their community pharmacist is the healthcare professional that they know best. A pharmacist is the trusted face who fills our medications, educates us on use and safety, provides immunization, and many other clinical services. Pharmacists have played a leading role in our big annual flu shot program. In fact, this past year helping us to deliver 1.5 million jabs in the arms of Albertans to keep them safe. And that's why I am pleased to announce that starting this week, the number of pharmacies delivering the COVID-19 vaccine has more than doubled and is set to grow further and further. There are now 259 pharmacies in 107 communities administering thousands of doses every day. The number of participating pharmacies has grown by 154% since March 1st. These pharmacies are rapidly increasing our ability to immunize people as quickly and as safely as possible. More than 66,000 doses will likely be delivered at Alberta pharmacies this week alone. And we're working to bring even more pharmacies on board and want to thank them for their leadership and cooperation. We expect more than 500 locations will be booking appointments across Alberta by early next month, early April. So to every Albertan who has a pharmacy offering the COVID-19 vaccine nearby, please book an appointment just as soon as you can. To every community that doesn't yet have a local pharmacy offering this vaccine, please book through Alberta Health Services, AHS, when eligible, but also know that we will get vaccines to your pharmacy as quick as we can. And you can check out online registration, just Google Alberta AHS COVID-19 vaccine. Today, we have 259 pharmacies offering the vaccine and 1,000 more that are just waiting for enough vaccines to arrive. These pharmacies have the skills, the commitment, and they are ready, but they just need the doses. I also want to assure anyone without a pharmacy nearby offering COVID vaccines that our immunization program fully includes you too. We have a plan in place and we're rolling the vaccines out to every corner of the province. But the majority of vaccines we received so far aren't easy to handle. Not only do they need super low temperatures, but at every step of the trip at immunization clinics, but there's not been a lot of those doses as well, and that's the biggest problem. There is, however, reason to have hope. We've been promised hundreds of thousands of doses over the next few months. And that's why we've made the bold promise to offer the vaccine to everyone and every adult in Alberta by the end of this June. In the meantime, we are so grateful that pharmacists here in Edmonton and across Alberta are doing so much. We know the interest and the demand is there in cities and towns all over the province, but the speed of our vaccination rollout depends wholly on the amount of vaccines that we receive from the Government of Canada. We unfortunately continue to be let down on that front. Just this week, we were informed that a malfunction in a cargo aircraft that was headed to Alberta meant that we saw delayed shipments of Moderna vaccine doses, which meant delayed inoculation at 43 Alberta pharmacies. What's worse, we've now learned that this week's shipment of Moderna vaccines will actually be split over 2 separate weeks, effectively cutting shipments in half. This is entirely the responsibility of the federal government, and they have not given us an explanation. Worst of all, it may force some pharmacies to reschedule thousands of bookings to next week. I'm sorry for that inconvenience, but once again, it's the result of unexpected interruption in supply from the Government of Canada. We know that the more vaccines we have, the faster we can get them to pharmacies, into clinics, and into the arms of Albertans to protect them. But we need the federal government to keep its word and actually deliver the doses that they have confirmed. If, and this is a pretty big if, but if we get the vaccine supplies we've been promised, we'll eventually be able to expand the immunization program across the province to include over 1,300 pharmacies like this one. And that's just pharmacies. Community physicians will start offering vaccines next month, and I want to thank the Alberta Medical Association for their partnership in that, in addition to the big Alberta Health Services immunization clinics. Alberta is ready. Our healthcare partners are ready, and we're working on offering even more ways to get you a vaccine. It has been a very long road this past year, but the end of the pandemic is clearly within sight. We've been told to expect millions of doses of COVID vaccines over the next few months, and Alberta's government will continue to do everything possible to advocate to get those doses as quick as possible to ensure those promises are kept.